guys have a good day. Previously, we are discussing the if function, which is this one. It's so-called the one if function. One test but two possible outcomes, which is true or false. If I put 5, this is true. Here, I will type here 5. If this cell is 5, meaning this answer is true, which is this one, 5. Look, if I make it 2, so meaning the answer is false, so it should be 0. So this is as what we discussed before. Now, our next topic is about the nested F. Nested F function, meaning one if function inside of another, which allows us to test the multiple criteria and increases the number of possible outcomes. So before, this is the one if function. Now we'll go with the nested F. Now I will show you the difference from here. I will use this one shapes just to emphasize the difference here. So this is the false here. This is the false, which is here. So this is the one test, this one if function. This is a logical here, logical, and this one if true, otherwise the answer is false. So it's make no difference. However, in nested F, we just make, so I told you before, nested F function, meaning one F function inside of one another. So meaning, I will copy this one here, this one. So this is another F function inside of another. So meaning this one, logical test and true, this one, and also another logical test if true, this one, logical test, test 1 is 1, and if our value here is true, so meaning this is the answer, so true. This is the first answer. Again, another logical test here, logical test, this is true, and another if our test is true. So this is the difference. Here only one test but two possible outcomes, and here we have one if function inside of another, this one, but the false is the same here. Example, this one, if logical test number 1 is false, the outcome should be here, and if the logical test also is false, the answer is here. And again, if logical test number 1 is true, the outcome should be this one, and the logical test is true also, the outcome is here. So this is the difference. Now I will show you the example to understand more clearly. This is the discount, discount 1, discount 3, and discount 5. So our discount is based on our promo level. So example, if promo level is 1, the discount should be 10% of this standard price. And if the promo level is 3, the discount from the standard price should be 30%. And also here, if promo level is 5, the standard price discount should be 50%. Okay, we'll start our nested F. We'll type equal, then F. This is the first F function, logical test. F this promo level equal 1, so the answer should be our standard price times our 10% discount here. So this is the first function, this one. We'll type comma. Otherwise, if the result of this promo level is 0, so we'll put this one here, no promo. So again, why I put the double quote? Because we are dealing with the alphabetical character, and if we deal also with the numeric value, no need to put close and open quotes. Now I will put close parenthesis and hit enter. So now we have 10% discount because our promo level is 1. Now as you can see here, just to show you the formula, this is our reference, column G, row 2. So this is our reference, which is this one, G2, this one. Okay. Now what will happen if I copy all of this formula? So we give us a wrong. Why? The reference of this 10% is this one. If I put down here, the reference will goes down here instead of 10% it coming here. Look. So now we need to use the absolute reference. So how? We'll press F2, then highlight this G2, which is here, our discount, and press F4 in our keyboard. Just press F4. Then as you can see here, there is a $sign before G and after G. So this is so-called the absolute reference. So I will hit enter. So I already correct the formula. However, here still there is an error. So I will copy this one and move down. So what will happen? Look. Now we have a correct answer, which is 10% of this one. It's coming here, and this is our current price. Now, how can we deal with this another promo? So we will use our nested F. So we will put here this one. So this is our false value. So this is the first logical test here, and this is the true value. Then I will add another F function or test. If this promo level is equal 3, so the discount should be 30% from the standard. So again, we will put our cursor here, our standard price times our 30% discount, because this is promo level 3. So again, just to make it absolute reference, so we will just only hit F4. Look, as you can see here, there is a $sign. So again, if the answer is false, then this should be coming no promo. Now I will put here another close parenthesis, then hit enter. So look what will happen if we will copy our formula here. I will drag down. Now there's no error because we already make that 30% discount as an absolute reference. Look, now if promo level is 3, the discount of this one is 30%. If I put out my cursor here, I will press F2. Now our reference is this one, 30% discount. You can see here, I will give you some extra to fix this error. This one, if this one is 0, should be there's no error, because this one is we are dealing with the numbers, and this one is the words or alphabetical characters. So how to remove this error? We'll just put F error, that one, F error. So we'll put a blank, this one. I will hit enter. Look, if I drag this one, you cannot see that error. Instead, it's all blank. Look, this is blank. So now we will deal with the 50% discount. If the promo level is 5, again we will put another F function or another test. If tab promo level equal 5, comma, from the standard price we should have a discount times of 50%. Again, we will press F4 as our absolute reference, this one, our absolute reference, and I will press comma, then I will put another close parenthesis, because this one is 1, 2, 3. We have dealing with 3 F or 3 logical tests, so I will put also in 1, 2, 3 close parenthesis, and we'll hit enter. Now see what happened here also. I will just copy this one and drag it down. Look, now we have a complete test in order to show the exact discount as per our promo level. So this is how amazing using of nested F.